All right, we're back. And it may seem to you that we're going pretty slow, and that's because we are. We're taking our time. I've been doing some homework here, and we're going to split the cases here on the Banshee Supermoto engine. And I might have to find some different tools. If you see here, I'm probably going to need a deep well socket here. But other than that, let's see. Probably going to have to turn it up a little bit. I know it's probably frustrating a little bit that I'm not doing the work on here. And that's very calculated because I've never done any of this stuff before. Usually, like on the DRZ stuff, you'll see me working on them because I've done them 3, 4, 5 times. Let's see if we can break this loose. Oh man, that's violent. I might have to use an actual ratchet on it. Okay, we'll break those loose because these are studs. These are studs coming from the top half. There's no access to it, at least that I can tell, from the top half of the cases, and it's just the nuts holding on here. So I might even put a little bit of, well, even though it's self-lubricating here, I'm going to break those loose, remove all these, and there's a handful of them on the top. That's why I have my 8mm here for those. So I'm going to do that, put them in the baggie, and I'll jump back with you. All right. I was able to extract the studs in some cases, pun intended, and some of the instances I was able to just get the nuts off of the studs. I'll probably get them removed after the fact. We'll see. I got the top bolts removed as well. So the cases should be ready to be split here. I'm going to put the rest of these in my plastic baggie and we'll see what happens. All right. Just in the effort of being transparent, I wanted to show me doing something actually. And I've used my dead blow hammer here and gave this thing some encouragement, we'll just say. And what I'm wanting to do is just go ahead and take these case halves apart. We'll see how successful I am. I did just get it to the point that we're at here and where I was getting them separated. But here's kind of the money shot here. Again, I'm being nice to the studs that are still in place. This last one's being a little stubborn. All right. And so I'm just going to come over here and set it down. There we go. So we've got our cases are split. I'm going to go over here and inspect our transmission when I remove it. Look here how we have our, well, I call them kind of like the half moon keeps. Looks like this one, there's an O-ring there. It must be in the cases here. Yep. And then there should be one. There's that one. There should be one here, I think. Oops. But we're going to go back, make sure we got everything in place. Yeah. I'm nerding out here real quick here. There's our O-ring. Cool. We're looking good, friends. We'll see how it goes. And I think this might have been something that was an issue. Oh, yeah. Our case seal, we got our bearings. I'm just taking a lot of information here on our condition. So there, I mean, there's so much. Look at the crusting. Look at the crust. We're going to clean all that up. So we got the cases split, folks. How about that? I think that's a good place for us to stop. Dewey's Garage. Woo! Make sure and subscribe, blah, 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 blah. See you next time. We'll take all this stuff out.